This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Selma Shevers. Indulge in a luxurious lifestyle in this remarkably versatile and exquisite 4/3/2 home with fenced-in backyard and added shrubbery for enhanced privacy. New roof installed 2023, freshly painted exterior with complete accordion shutters. This home offers modern sophistication with keen attention to detail, freshly painted interior, new luxury vinyl planks in oversized bedrooms, nicely remodeled master sports shower with splash glass, modern lighting, ceiling fans throughout and upgraded bathroom mirrors. The over 2,300 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms, 3-bath home makes this home as functional as it is luxurious and great for entertaining. Centrally located close to St Lucie West with great shopping and restaurants at your fingertips. This move-in ready gem could be yours for the holidays. For more information, review the details below.